Woo! What's going on, YouTube? So we got a hype video actually coming up right now. So it's probably one of the nicest days out right now in Ohio. It's 70 degrees out, so I'm not missing this opportunity to ride. But one of my buddies, I haven't posted a video about it yet. And let me pause this music. I haven't posted a video about it yet, but me and him, we rode together last year. He had a Grom, I was on my R6. I haven't posted, like I said, I haven't posted a video yet. But he just picked up a 2016 R1. He just picked it up today actually, so I'm going to meet up right now with them. And yeah, we're just gonna cruise on these filthy streets of Cleveland, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm hyped because I've never really ridden with a lot of leader bikes. Let me get a little pops. Alright, I'll catch you guys when we get there. Oh, I don't think he's here yet. Oh, big bet, he's here. Yeah, look at him. Oh, I hope he comes around. Damn, that sounds good though, for sure. Yes, sir. Damn, that thing's clean. Holy shit. Damn. Damn. Dude, I like this version better than the newer one.
I know, I do.
Because the newer one's like a mix of this and the R6. This is sick.
I know, I like this paint job a lot
better. Oh my gosh.
Like solid blue.
Yeah, this looks real. Did you get this from Rick Roush?
No, I got this from Throw Point in Medina.
Okay. Damn, you got a nice ass dash too. Dude, it sounds what's it called? The engine, whatever it's called, sounds so good.
Yeah,
fuck. Yeah. Damn. That's nice. You got a fat ass tire too. What is it, 190 or 200?
I want to say it's 190.
190? Okay. Damn, looks so much bigger.
Slightly bigger.
Did I try sitting on it? But have you sat? Oh, you rode mine. I forgot.
So yeah,
damn, this is weird.
This thing has 4 power modes, and I kept it in the lowest, which is 4, right?
Okay.
I rode it all the way from the dealer home. I'm like, all right, it's got a little power. I kick it up to 2. Rips.
Really?
I'm like 60 and like a.
Dude, that shows the braking too.
Yeah, it has all of them. It has.
That's insane, dude. Dude, it's so light too.
Oh.
I think it's actually almost more comfortable than the R6. Cause sit on this again. I feel like this sitting position just sucks.
Yeah, it's a little.
It's about, I don't know.
No, it's about the same.
Damn, bro, I love this model. That's so sick.
Dude, trying to pre-order a brand new 22, like a 22 R1, it's like trying to catch a lightning.
Yeah, damn.
Impossible to get it done.
Cause I know there was one up at Roush, I think. I thought it was this one. No, it's the one that has like green and shit on. I don't know what color it is, but damn.
No, but it sounds amazing.
Yeah.
It pops all the time.
Really? Like crackles and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. Damn. Now you make me want to get an R1.
No.
Shit.
Stay with that for now.
Yeah, that's fast enough. Shit.
Oh, this is like you're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah.
I've been riding for what, like 3-4 years.
Okay.
Like, you know, on the streets.
Yeah. Yeah. This is my still my first year technically.
Yeah.
Second. So I don't care. We can go wherever. But what you trying to hit? Like some highway, some metro parks, just whatever.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit some highways. I haven't been able to ride on the highways.
We can go on the highway. Open it up real quick if you want.
It'll sound really good if you want.
Oh, we can get on right down here, right?
Yeah, we can go down.
Go on the loop thing.
Yeah.
Okay. I can follow you if you want.
Yeah.
You still got the ground?
Yeah, I do.
Sweet.
Like, when I want to go fast, I'll take this on. When I want to chill,
Right. Okay. See, that's a good setup there. All right. I'll follow you then. Yeah, mine sounds like a little bitch bike compared to his. With that, why did I forget in the engine? Damn, I'm hyped. I've never really ridden with a leader bike before. Damn, bro, he's got me drooling over his R1 and shit. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It sounds so good. Yeah, guys, I personally like this model better. Because, I don't know, like I said, it's like a mix. Yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get on the highway though.